Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce you to the Pennsylvania Woodworks Premium American Maple Clothes Drying Rack, a handcrafted masterpiece made right here in Pennsylvania from locally sourced solid maple wood, offering a durable and long-lasting solution for your laundry needs. This heavy-duty drying rack is built with top-quality materials, providing sturdy support for air-drying heavy clothing, towels, and linens, ensuring your garments are well cared for. Featuring a spacious flat-top design, it's perfect for drying sweaters, delicates, and other items that require laying flat, making it a versatile addition to your home. Its collapsible and portable design allows for easy storage when not in use, making it an ideal space-saving solution for any household. By choosing this eco-friendly drying rack, you support a sustainable lifestyle and reduce energy consumption, contributing to a greener planet. So, if you're looking for a reliable, robust, and environmentally friendly way to dry your clothes, look no further than the Pennsylvania Woodworks Premium American Maple Clothes Drying Rack. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.